Welcome to AI World, where we review AI tools. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Artflow.ai.
Yes, I wanted to take a look at the different plans that Artflow offers. I'm going to be sticking and demonstrating different features of the basic plan, but wanted to show you what you could possibly leverage in terms of their different options with their paid packages. A lot of different things. It really is kind of impressive, all of the different things. One thing I did want to make sure you pay attention to is the commercial use. So it is a commercial use with attribution. So it's free as long as you point it out. For the basic plan or the free plan, you want to make sure that you sign in. Simple as that. Sign in with your email, sign in with your password, create an account, and you are going to be ready to go to start doing your AI creations. Again, just a warning: when you're signing up for anything, you want to be cautious about the information you provide. Artflow looks like they're a company in Bucharest, Romania. So any information you're putting in that sign up, again, it's just a email address and password, but just be careful about that. So let's get started, jumping right in with creating an actor. So we'll start with a actor, throw in a cool name. That's probably not a good one. I don't know where that came from. It's kind of auto-filled, but AI man. All right, there we go. Okay, AI man. So created that AI man. I took, actually, if you see down below, I took 5 pictures of myself. So I could put myself and create myself as an AI character, which was pretty cool and easy because I just sat there and I took some screenshots of yours truly. So now we're cooking up an AI character with just those 5 pictures that we uploaded. And we're training in progress. So learning up an AI character. It's cooking. We're going to spend all this time cooking. It did take a while, but here you go. This is actually looks like a professional headshot. Here's a Semitic version. A wizard bee. Power of fire. Moving on, we're going to take a look at the image studio. So with a very quick prompt, very, very simple sentences, taking a look at our styles. There's all kinds of different styles that you can pick from. And it's pretty impressive amount of styles. I am not going to try them all. I've only got, if you look at the bottom left, 100 credits with the free plan. So I'm going to use those credits wisely. And we're going to generate a cool image. And this also takes a while. And if you haven't used AI before, they do take a little bit of time, but this is relatively fast. It wasn't as fast as you see here because I cut out the waiting. But you see this image that's generated. I think it's pretty cool. And moving on to personal story. So moving into the story mode. I skipped over the video studio just because I was so into the story part of this. I already had a bit of a story already kind of written up that I just threw in there. Gonna create some characters for my little paragraph of the story. On a party with friends sounds like a fun one. We're gonna make it dramatic, and we're gonna create this story. You can do it for in terms of your video format, for a phone or a computer. Now I get to look at the visual styles. Once again, you got some options here. And I think horror looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go with the horror and see what this cooks up. And yeah, you do see some of these video AI generation tools. They do take a while. It is not necessarily a fast thing. So if you're looking for instant results, that's not the case. So look at this. We got some story characters. So we got a Jasper, Ilara, and our villainous wine bottle. And now we're going to continue to cook. I don't know exactly how long this actually took me. It didn't take as long as what is shown in the, or it took longer than what's shown in the video, but it is pretty fast amongst other video generation tools I've used. So here we go. We got some cool stuff. It looks like we're looking at one of the characters, Alara. I'm just gonna play this. Oh my.
Laughter wafted through the air. Crystal glasses clinked, resonating with joy. Shadows danced on the walls, but behind the smiles lay unspoken
There's that
fears.
villainous wine bottle.
Curiosity stirred. The host's grin widened, uncertain excitement bubbling within. Guests leaned in, drawn by a lure, blind to the danger lurking beneath. The air thickened, sweet yet
Interesting that
rancid. A collective
dress
breath
matches
hitched.
the curtains
Hesitation
and,
hung
and
suspended in the
walls.
atmosphere,
Interesting
infecting the mood
choice.
with trepidation.
Kind of wondering what
Whispers
happened to all our
flitted through the
guests.
gathering like moths to flame. "What is it?" echoed softly. The night trembled on a knife's edge, an uncharted descent beckoning. She sensed impending doom. A heartbeat raced in stark contrast to the facade of elegance. Words unspoken, yet laden with dread, hung heavy between them.
Change of outfit.
"Trust
We went
me,"
from green
he
to
urged,
black.
attempting to mold courage from fear. Hope flickered like the candlelight as all eyes turned, captivated yet cautious of the
Candle
wine's dark
wine.
promise.
Hey,
A gasp
little scary.
fractured the revelry. The liquid spread, seductive yet sinister, as whispers crescendoed, transforming the celebration into an eerie silence that gripped them. Horror etched itself into their faces. The gathering watched, paralyzed, as their own excesses and secret sins took form, seeping from the twisted depths. Eyes widened in terror. The table became a mirror. They saw what they long buried. Temptation whispered their names, a reminder of their lost humanity.
don't know what's going on in the background there. It's like
The
a,
room
a
felt
dummy
colder.
with an extra
The
long
lure
tie.
turned bitter. Candles flickered and dimmed, heralding a descent into madness as reality twisted at the edges. Panic
Back in our black
erupted.
black
The guests
dresses.
recoiled, yet a part of them yearned to reach out. They were drawn, helpless. Ambition transformed into urgency.
They were back to green.
Revelry surrendered to reckoning. Secrets lanced through the hall, suffocating laughter, leaving behind a disparate echo of lost dreams. The night's true feast had only begun.
Yeah, so all in all, I think it was pretty good output. So moving on, looking at some of the video studio options, got all kinds of different themes and examples here, some storytelling examples. Got some character intros. Look at that, even got a Harry Potter guy and Einstein. Some social media. I like the educational ones. We didn't spend a lot of time looking at it, but they look pretty cool. Events. You want to do? You got a special event coming up. You want to do a video invite. Look at that. You got some greetings and well wishes, and we'll pass from Milan Tusk. I don't even like the smell of that one, but you create a new video from scratch. And so let's take a look at that. This will be the last feature we'll be checking out for the video. So looking at blank canvas here. I don't even know what we're gonna be able to do. Oh, look at that. There's some images, my volcano images. So let's go ahead and grab one of those. Grab one of those volcano images that we created earlier from the image creator. There's no faces detected, but that's okay. It's hard to detect a volcano face. And then we're gonna create some dialogue. We'll get a character to talk about this scene. So let's go find. There's some loaded AI voices here. A lot of different options for your AI voices. We're not going to sample them all. We don't have all day because the list goes on forever. So we'll grab Ada. Sounds like she can talk some volcano, and let's see what she sounds like.
Caribbean volcanoes are scary when surrounded by
They sure
carnivorous
are.
vegetation.
They sure are. Wise words there, Ada. Thank you for sharing. So yeah, that's Artflow AI, just showing you some features. I hope you appreciated it. If you like this video, like and subscribe.